Learning the basics of word processing, GSM Bazaar. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a aloof addition who wants to actualize and adapt documents, chat processing is a capital accomplishment to have. Word processing is the creation, editing, and formatting of abstract application software like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Apple Pages. Introduction to word processing software, Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Microsoft Chat and Google Docs are two of the best accepted chat processing software acclimated by millions of bodies worldwide. Both are able accoutrement that acquiesce users to actualize and adapt documents, but they accept altered appearance and interfaces. In this blog post, we'll analyze Microsoft Chat and Google Docs and advise you accept the appropriate chat processing software for your needs. It is an absolute chat processing software that offers an advanced ambit of appearance for creating and alteration documents. Many bodies accept bin application Microsoft Office articles for years, so they're already accustomed with the interface and how it works. Additionally, Microsoft Word offers added avant-garde appearance than Google Docs, which makes it an accomplished best for professionals who charge added able tools. Google Docs is a free, web-based chat processing software that is allotment of the Google Workspace suite. It offers abounding of the aforementioned appearance as Microsoft Chat but is advised to be added automated and user-friendly. The best amid Microsoft Word and Google Docs ultimately comes bottomward to your claimed preferences and needs. If you're attractive for added avant-garde appearance and are accustomed with the Microsoft Office interface, Microsoft Word ability be the bigger best for you. On the added hand, if you're attractive for added automated and convenient acquaintance and charged to co-act with others in real time, Google Docs ability be the bigger choice. In conclusion, both Microsoft Chat and Google Docs are accomplished chat processing software, anniversary with its own different appearance and advantages. Because your needs and preferences, you can accept the software that's appropriate for you and actualize professional-looking abstracts with ease. Creating and formatting text, font styles, size, and color. When it comes to creating and formatting text, Microsoft Chat and Google Docs are two of the best accepted chat processing software acclimated by millions of bodies worldwide. Both action an array of options for chantry styles, sizes, and colors, which can advice accomplish your argument added visually ambrosial and easier to read. In this blog post, we'll analyze some tips and best practices for creating and formatting argument in Microsoft Chat and Google Docs. They are commonly used for printed materials like books and newspapers and can lend a classic, traditional feel to your text. In Microsoft Word, popular serif fonts include Times New Roman and Georgia, while Google Docs offers options like Droid Serif and Merriweather. Popular sans serif fonts in Microsoft Word include Arial and Calibri, while Google Docs offers options like Roboto and Open Sans. Script fonts mimic handwriting and can add a touch of elegance to your text. In Microsoft Word, popular script fonts include Edwardian Script and Brush Script, while Google Docs offers options like Great Vibes and Pacifico. In Microsoft Word, headings are often set to 14 or 16 points, while Google Docs offers options like 16 and 18 points. In Microsoft Word, headings are often set to 14 or 16 points, while Google Docs offers options like 16 and 18 points. Body text should be easy to read, which often means choosing a font size of 10 to 12 points. In Microsoft Word, the default font size is 11 points, while Google Docs defaults to 12 points. Finally, font color can be used to add emphasis or create visual interest in your text. Contrast: to ensure your text is easy to read, choose a font color that contrasts with the background color. To ensure your text is easy to read, choose a font color that contrasts with the background color. Emphasis: if you want to add emphasis to a particular word or phrase, consider making it a different color than the rest of the text. If you want to add emphasis to a particular word or phrase, consider making it a different color than the rest of the text. Branding: if you're creating a document for your business or organization, consider using your brand colors to help reinforce your brand identity. Adding images, tables, and charts to documents. Images, tables, and archive can advise to allegorize your credibility and accomplish your abstracts added engaging. In this blog post, we will analyze how to add images, tables, and archive to abstracts in Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Adding images to your document is a great way to break up large blocks of text and make it more visually appealing. Here's how to do it in Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Microsoft Word, click on the Insert tab, then click on Pictures. Google Docs, click on Insert, then click on Image. Select the image you want to add, then click Insert. Once you've inserted your image, you can resize it, wrap text around it, or add captions as necessary. Here's how to add tables to your document in Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Microsoft Word, click on the Insert tab, then click on Table. Google Docs, click on Insert, then click on Table. Microsoft Word, click on the Insert tab, then click on Chart. Select the type of chart you want to add, then click OK.